everybody and welcome. Today's video we're talking Boxycharm, a full variation of the base box for November. So before we jump into the video, as always, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. We are chugging the caffeine today because your girl is dragging some booty. But fortunately, it is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we chit-chat, we have fun, we keep it cute, or we put it on mute. No negative comments, all of that. And, you know, we're just here to have a little fun. So, anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, I'm just gonna give you guys a warning. I'm like 2 sips in. So maybe by the end of this video, it'll be like all through my bloodstream and I'll be like perky and ready to go. It's sad because it's literally not even noon yet and I'm just like, ugh, and I've been up forever. Anyhow, if you are new to Boxycharm, the Boxycharm Base box is what we're going to be talking about today. Now, this is a monthly subscription. It is $25 a month, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies in this box. Now, you do get to customize one item in here as well. And to go over the choices with you guys real quick, I'll just pop a little picture up over here for you guys. And the first item that we were able to choose from was the Benefit Give Me Brow Gel. And I told you guys a lot about how I started using brow gel to kind of help with like the sparse bare brows that I have, and I go with a really light brow gel, and it really helps to give me like that 3D effect. So that was choice number one with a retail value of $24. The next item that we had a choice from was the Waterproof Milk Mascara, and I told you guys I went back and forth with this one because I love the regular Milk Kush mascara, but with this one being waterproof, I was a little worried about doing a waterproof just because I already have like brittle nails, hair, eyelashes, all of that, so I didn't want to risk it. So I didn't end up going with this one. And then of course we did have the choice of the Jouer. This is the lip, like a lip balm, and it does have a retail value of $17. So moving over to this full variation that was a little sneaky peeky that we have seen floating around the internet. The first item is by 111 Skin, and this is actually the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster, and this had like a retail value of well over $100, guys. Now, we've seen 111 skincare in our boxes in the past, and I have to say I do really like 111 Skin. I have the one drops that I put into like my moisturizer and whatnot, and it helps with like the environmental stuff and the blue light and all of that. And we've also seen it in the masks, and it's like I said, it's really expensive. The information I found on it, I went to Saks Fifth Avenue to the website to find it. It's a concentrated hydration booster that instantly improves the moisture and restores volume for a healthier and plumper complexion. Like I said, it's a hyaluronic acid aqua booster, and hyaluronic acid, especially going into the winter months, at least here in Kentucky, is absolutely amazing to have in your skincare regimen. I like to use it all year round personally, but it helps to draw the moisture in and really help to plump the skin. So definitely 10 out of 10 would recommend. Moving on, the next item we are seeing in this variation is by Beauty Creations. This is the Cali Glow. This is actually a highlighter palette that you're going to see with a retail value of $14.99. And I like highlighters, so I'm not mad about that one. The next item that we are seeing in this box is by Jekka Black, I think is how you say it. It's a liquid corrector, and I've never heard of this brand before. So if you guys have, let us know your experience down below. The information I found on this particular item has, I think it's from the UK, and it has a retail value of $10. It's a liquid corrector, and it's to cover like the under eye area and things like that. And then the next item, of course, is one of the choice items that we are seeing, and that's the Benefit Benefit Brow that does have the retail value of $24. And like I said, I love using brow gels, and this was actually my choice for my base box because I do receive the PR box, but I also pay for a base box. Anyways, that was my choice for my base box for this month. And then the last item we're seeing in here is by Dr. Brandt, and this is an antioxidant toner, which, as we know, Dr. Brandt has been in past boxes before, and it's absolutely a wonderful, wonderful skincare line. But again, like 111 Skin, it is expensive. So you guys know my favorite item by Dr. Brandt is the micro exfoliant microdermabrasion or something like that. I love that stuff. I think it's really, really good. And I'm excited to see the skin toner because we haven't seen too many toners coming through except for like Murad. So we already know Dr. Brandt is a great skincare line, so I'm excited to see that in this box. And like I said, we are guaranteed at least $125 of goodies in this $25 box. So I want to know you guys' thoughts down below. For me in particular, like, I think that this sounds like a good box. I like the fact that we're getting the skincare in there. I think it's great, like I said, for Kentucky weather. Works out perfect getting some more of the hyaluronic acid. I like that there's a toner in there, but we're also seeing some makeup products in there as well. So that always, I like the fact that we're getting a good little variation of both. The one thing I'm not excited about is the corrector, but that's just me. I'm not a person who uses correctors or anything. I guess, actually I take that back. I guess if you consider like the Tatcha Pearl a corrector, because it is an under eye brightener, so this is probably very similar to that, but I don't really know. So anyways guys, let me know y'all's thoughts on this box. Like I said, I think it's a good variation. I'm excited to see more and more variations come out for the November base box. Don't forget, Boxy Pop-Up is coming up. It's going to be live November 9th. You're also going to make your choices the same day as Boxy Pop-Up does go live. So you're going to get in there, make your choices for December. And don't forget, December is a BoxyLuxe month. We are seeing Sunday Riley Good Jeans being sneak peeked for the Boxycharm Luxe for December, and I'm super excited about that. You guys know I absolutely highly recommend that. My daughter uses it all the time. It's a lactic acid. It's great for anti-aging. It's great if you do have more on the sensitive skin side. So sometimes glycolic acids are a little too harsh for the skin for some people, so I always recommend starting off with a lactic acid, building your way up to glycolic acids, retinol, all of that stuff. So anyways, I'm excited to see Sunday Riley Good Jeans coming to our BoxyLuxe. If you guys are interested in signing up, now is the time to do so. I always keep a link in my description box as well as in the comment section for you guys to jump in there to sign up for Boxycharm, and then this way, if you get in now, you're going to be able to make your choices on November 9th. By the way guys, one of the items that we are seeing for Boxy Pop-Up, and if you guys are new, I'm sorry, like I said, the caffeine has not kicked in all the way just yet. But if you are new to Boxycharm, they have quarterly what's called Boxy Pop-Up, and this is where you can save up to 80% off of skincare, lifestyle, makeup, body cares, like there's so many, hair care, there's so many different things that we see, and this is like huge. Like we have our monthly add-ons, but the Boxy Pop-Up is even bigger, and I'll actually have a video, if it's not already up, going up talking more about some of the items that you can plan on seeing for the Boxy Pop-Up in November on the 9th. But one of the items that we are going to see in here is by Kevyn Aucoin. I actually have it on my eyes today, and this particular one is the Emphasize Eye Design Palette in Magnify, and I love these palettes, guys. Like I absolutely love the formula of the Kevyn Aucoin. This I got like maybe a year ago or something with Octoly, but this is more of like the purpley gray shades, and I absolutely love it. It has a liquid type of eyeshadow formula right here. I have it on today. It's super comfortable, doesn't get crusty, doesn't flake or anything like that. So that is something that I noticed is going to be in the Boxy Pop-Up. I'm really hoping that the Natasha Denona foundation comes back to pop up. We just saw it in last month's add-ons, and I am so hoping that this is coming back. I've been wearing this non-stop almost every single day that I picked this up from the add-ons. I'm wearing 40N light medium neutral, and it's a perfect shade match. I don't have my sunless tanner on, and I don't have to like finagle it to make it work. So absolutely love this, and it was $12. It has a retail value of like $45. So like I said, add-ons is always a great deal, but Boxy pop-up is even bigger, where you get up to 80% off, and the selection's insane. So anyways, if you sign up for Boxycharm, you'll be able to make your choice as well as shop the Boxy pop-up. And just letting you guys know, that is an affiliate link if you do use my link to sign up. I do believe there is a coupon floating around where you get credit towards your purchase of Boxy pop-up. So I will put that down in the description box and in the comment section below for you guys. If you guys are interested in signing up, make sure to use that coupon code. Now, I cannot guarantee how long that code will stay live, but I always try and find codes for you guys, and hopefully it's still live and working when you guys sign up. So anyways, don't forget there is still a giveaway going on our channel. I am still trying very, very hard to get that 10K over on Instagram. So if you would go over there to Instagram and follow, not subscribe, but follow your girl. I also upload all the time over here, Monday through Friday. I'm telling you guys, the caffeine it's not kicking in yet. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm pretty scatterbrained. Anyways, and then on the weekends, I've been popping up videos at 9 p.m. Eastern time. So there's always a video going up over here. I tell you what, and if you're not into beauty content all the time, hop over to my vlog channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where I upload Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 p.m. So there's something for everybody, like, at least I like to think. So anyways, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye, guys.